Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting both devices ready. This saves time. Turn on the car to power the infotainment system and put your phone into Bluetooth discoverable mode so the car can find it. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and that you clear stale pairings that might block a new connection. If your phone asks for location permission for device scanning, accept it. Once done, stay near the car interior. Signal strength and proximity reduce pairing errors and speed discovery. You now use the car's menu to locate your phone. Navigate to Bluetooth or phone settings, then select Add or Pair Device. The system scans for nearby devices. When your phone appears, tap it on the car screen and compare the PIN code on both devices. Confirm if they match, because this prevents accidental pairing with strangers. After pairing, allow access to contacts and media so calls and audio work. If media still won't play, make sure the car audio source. You finish by verifying functionality. Set Bluetooth as the primary audio source, place a short call, and play music to confirm both phone and car handle audio. If the connection drops or pairing failed, toggle Bluetooth on the phone, restart the phone, or cycle the car's infotainment power. These quick resets often fix transient bugs. If problems persist, reset network settings on the phone and then repair. Be aware this erases saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth pairs, so only do it as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.